I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add an account in Supercell ID. First, open any Supercell game like Clash of Clans or Brawl Stars. Navigate to the in-game settings, usually found by tapping a gear icon. Here, you will see an option to connect to Supercell ID. This feature helps you save your game progress and manage multiple accounts with ease. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments. If you already have a Supercell ID linked to another game, choose the Log In option. You will then be prompted to enter the email address associated with that Supercell ID. A unique 6-digit verification code will be sent to that email. Retrieve this code and enter it into the game to successfully connect your existing Supercell ID to your current game account. This links your progress securely. For those without an existing Supercell ID, select the Register New option. You will need to provide a valid email address that you wish to associate with your new Supercell ID. After entering your email, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to it. Enter this code into the game to complete the registration. This creates a brand new Supercell ID, securing your current game progress. Once you have multiple game accounts linked to Supercell ID, switching between them is simple. Go back to the in-game settings and tap on the Supercell ID button. From there, you will see an option to switch account or log out. Selecting this allows you to choose from your connected accounts, making it easy to jump between your different game profiles in just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.